Hi friends, welcome to my channel NM Learn Mac Courses with Nagmani. Today I am going to start new chapter, that is numerical methods. Numerical methods. In this chapter we will see solution for nonlinear equations. Solution for nonlinear equations and solution for numerical integration and solution for numerical differentiation. Okay, solution for numerical differentiation. And coming to the solution for nonlinear equations, here nonlinear equations means I will give one example: transcendental equation. Transcendental equation, these equations which comes under nonlinear equations. See, an equation which consists of trigonometric function like sin x, cos x, tan x, and logarithmic functions and exponential functions, then that equation is said to be a transcendental equation, and these transcendental equations are comes under nonlinear equations. And now we are seeing solution for this nonlinear equation. This we can find here. If you see, we can find solution for nonlinear equations by four methods. Okay, here solution for nonlinear equations. By using four methods, we can find solution for these nonlinear equations. One is bisection method, okay, and another one is regular falsy. Regular falsy method, and another one is Newton Raphson method, okay, and last one is secant method. And by using these four methods, we are finding the solution for nonlinear equation. And coming to the numerical integration, by using rectangular rule and trapezoidal rule and symptoms one third rule. By using these three rules, we are finding solution to numerical integration. One is rectangular rule and trapezoidal rule, and another one is Simpson's one third rule. By using these three rules, we are finding the solution for numerical integration. And coming to the another last one is numerical differentiation. Okay, numerical differentiation. For finding this numerical differentiation, we are using four type of methods, which are Taylor series. By using Taylor series, we can find the solution for numerical differentiation, and also forward Euler's method, and here Ranjagutta second order and Ranjagutta fourth order method. Okay, by using these four methods, we are finding solution for numerical differentiation. And in next class, we will see the solution for non-linear equation by using these methods. Okay, and thanks for watching.